Okay, guys, just one second. Just one second. No, no. I'm kidding. Let's start.
Somebody gets it, otherwise we'll close this.
No, this is my mistake.
Okay.
What's happening right now?
What's happening?
What's happening right now?
I'm on 10.
High risk, high reward.
Wow.
Great one.
Manu is winning
Great
this,
one.
bro.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Buzzing with Quizzing. We are back. We took like a little break, but I hope you guys are enjoying the Quizzing World Cup that we are doing with our members from all over the world. Buzzing is back, the same old format, 2 boards, 10 categories, 50 questions, and an amazing panel. Let me call the panelists one by one. Our first panelist in this quiz is a veteran of Buzzing. Give it up for Anirban Dasgupta.
Hello. Hi. I am also back.
Anirban, are you looking any categories that you're looking for? Like,
Maybe something that has to do with some sports, community event. I would say I would call it more sports is like community service. That's what we need in today's war-torn world. Yes.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. In fact, to satiate our desire for sports quizzing, Anirban and I are also doing Dream 11 streams nowadays where we
Yes.
do cricket quiz. Guys, please go to Dream 11 and check it out. We ask each other
Please
five
watch our
questions.
cricket quiz. It is quiz and bluff together.
Yes,
It's a very nice
beautiful.
combination.
It's beautiful. Okay, on that note, another sports fanatic. Give it up for Karan Gill.
Hello, friends. I didn't know this was quizzing. Actually, I thought we were just meeting up to talk about how Arsenal's going to take the cup.
Oh
But
no.
yeah. No. But we can do buzzing also. That's no
Okay.
issues. Yeah.
Mm,
What are your
mm.
thoughts, man? How are we feeling, guys, as Liverpudlians?
Oh man, I think my
Yeah.
season was over in October last
Yeah.
year. Since then, I've been
Not,
following tennis.
not a great season, Karan. Not a great season, Karan. Karan,
But it's a victory for the game. It's a victory for the game. That's what I'd like to say,
Yeah.
As long as the sport of football is elevated, who are we
Yeah.
to judge?
That's
देखो
Yeah.
अंत में जीत फुटबॉल की होती
एकदम.
Oh man, Karan, so nice to have you back again. Any particular categories you're looking forward to and not looking forward to?
I am hoping that we go easy on the sports.
Go easy on the sport. Because it'll be
That's
too,
just my personal wish.
yeah, you'll dominate it too much, so not fair on the other.
Yeah. And I'm like, it's not fair. Me and Anirban going head to head once again for obscure cricket facts.
Yeah,
It's not, nobody needs to see that. So, yeah.
yeah. Fair.
Yeah.
All right. On that note, the debutante is here, guys. We have somebody making her debut on Buzzing with Quizzing. Give it up for Manvi Gagru.
Hey.
Varun is
Hi.
Gagru.
Manvi Gagru.
Wow.
Something you should know by now, I feel.
Messed
Manvi
up.
Gagru.
Messed up.
Manvi. -5 to the QM. Hi, Manvi. It's your
Yeah.
debut. How are you feeling?
I'm very nervous, but my strategy is that I'm just gonna buzz.
Oh,
Good
I'm losing
strategy.
anyway.
good strategy. Anirban is happy. Very nice.
Keep buzzing before
you
reading
keep-
the question.
Yeah.
Done.
They call this Anirban tactics.
No.
Manvi, I know you watch Buzzing and you get everything while watching, but it's as you
Yeah.
know, it's a different ball game when you're playing, competing against these two veterans. Are
Yeah.
you nervous and all? Like, is that a feeling?
Yeah, I'm very nervous, but let's see.
Let's see. Last few episodes were made by our members Aditi, Abhishek, and in that spirit, another member of ours has made this quiz. So we wanted all of you to see the person behind the 2 boards that you will enjoy in the following minutes. So give it up for KP. KP is here, most active members on all the WhatsApp communities that we have. College quizzer from IIT Kharagpur and now based out of Dubai. KP, meet the panel that will be facing your question.
Hi,
Hello.
Hi, KP.
everyone. Hi, Manu.
Hi, KP.
So, Keith, what question have you made?
So
Oh no, don't tell
one
us.
thing,
I'm joking.
no, one thing that I can definitely tell you is that there is something for everyone in there.
That's
I've tried to be as diverse as possible so that we don't give any undue advantage to
That
people
sounds
looking for
judgy.
useless
Sounds good.
categories like sports or useless
Yeah.
category like history, obviously.
Yeah.
So I've tried to keep a very fine balance.
Okay,
That's
wonderful,
I I
wonderful.
I fully agree with that, because when we did the dry run and all, this is one feedback that all of us had. It's one of the most wholesome board that we have ever done. Like
But
we've
who
almost
Hol-
covered
wants?
everything.
Nobody wants wholesome. Who
Holistic,
wants?
holistic,
We want
holistic.
that fit for strength.
Wholesome, not here.
Oh man,
Okay, okay,
thank
okay.
you, KP, for
Thank you,
doing this
thank
for
you.
us, and we
Thank you,
look forward
KP.
to
Good
the
luck to
panel enjoying your
everyone.
quiz.
See you soon,
Thank
KV.
you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
Thank you, man.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Okay, guys, let's begin. I
Okay.
will show you the first board now.
Acha,
Okay.
These are your 5 categories for the first board. The first category is called the menu. This will have questions where there are food items which are named after something, like a person or a place. So they're named after something, okay, like a person or place. Second is called मेरे पास माँ है, मेरे पास M&A है. Okay, this is basically an M&A category. Okay, so like famous companies who either merged or one company acquired the other. So it's a business round. मेरे पास माँ है. Third is a history category, poets of the war. There'll be a small poem about a certain war. All I want from you is, what war are we talking
Oh,
about? Okay,
great, great,
which
great,
war?
great.
Which war? Which war? Okay, then let me address this. Okay, let me address this. I'll give you the address of a famous landmark. Okay, all I want is, what landmark is this? Okay,
Oh
so the
my God.
address.
Okay.
Okay,
All
okay,
right.
okay. And the last is, show me the money. So we'll literally show you the money. We will show you a
Okay.
currency on your screen. All I want from you is, what country's currency is that?
Okay.
Okay,
Oh
Awesome.
no.
What awesome categories.
yeah,
This is
yeah,
so cool. Let's
yeah.
go.
Okay, guys. First board is here. The menu has food items named after people or places. M&A category. We'll need 2 companies. Poets of the war. There'll be a poem. Give me the war. Let me address this. Just give me the landmark and show me the money. Give me the country. Okay.
Okay, guys,
Sim-
just 1 second. Just 1 second. No. I'm kidding. Let's start.
okay. Manvi, since you're making your debut, we'll give you a chance to pick the first category for how many points?
Menu for 30.
Okay. Initially perceived as food that people shared while gaming and drinking, it is named after the Earl of a town in England who would order his valet to bring him roast beef between 2 pieces of toasted bread. Kanan.
Sandwich.
Sandwich is correct.
Earl of
Oh.
Sandwich.
I thought
30
it's some
Oh.
plus
specific
30.
sandwich.
Plus 30. No. Earl of Sandwich. Perfect. Also, I forgot to say, you can buzz the moment the question comes on screen. I will finish reading. I'll see who has buzzed. I'll come to you. Then you answer. Okay.
That's my plan.
Okay. Control now moves to Kanan. Kanan, where do we go?
Oh, let's stay with menu for 40 points.
Menu for 40 points. First prepared by the emperor himself in the Yuan dynasty, though the roasted waterfowl variation was developed during the later Ming dynasty for the imperial court menu. So the important thing to focus, I would say, is, oh, Kanan has buzzed. Kanan?
Peking duck.
Wow, great crack.
Ooh.
Peking duck plus 40. Roasted waterfowl was a big
Waterfowl.
waterfowl. Waterfowl is duck, and roasted duck, Peking duck. Beautifully done. Plus 40 to Kanan. For that, we come back to the board. Kanan, you get to pick.
A menu for 50.
Let's do it. The menu for 50. Made with wheat flour, sugar, palm oil, or sunflower seed oil, typically vanilla flavored, named to commemorate the marriage of the Grand Duchess Maria Alexandrovna of Russia to the Duke of Edinburgh. So I would say the most important part is the Duchess's name, Grand Duchess Maria Alexandrovna. Focus on that name. The answer derives from that name. And then think of, what do you make using flour, sugar, oil, typically vanilla flavored. Her name is very, very important. Part of the answer. Her first name, in fact, is very important.
No.
I have a guess, but I don't want to sacrifice my points.
Take it.
I don't even have a guess. I think Kanan, you should go for it.
We will wait for 5 seconds. Let's see if somebody guesses. Otherwise, we'll close this.
No, this is my
Ma-
mistake.
Okay.
Sorry. I suddenly saw it go red and I was like, what? I didn't do this. Sorry.
Okay. We'll wait for 5 seconds. Okay, we'll close. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
Marie biscuits.
Yes.
Ah,
It is Marie Biscuit.
Ah.
Yes, Marie
Cool.
Biscuit is correct. It's
answer.
named after Grand Duchess
So cool.
Maria. It's Marie Biscuit.
अरे यार, I was like vanilla थोड़ी होता है. That was what threw me off.
Yeah.
But I guess originally it was vanilla.
Yeah. Marie Biscuit. Okay, nobody gets points for this, but Kannan, you still have the control of the board.
Menu for 20.
Okay, menu for 20. Named after the one-armed cook who prepared it for the first time in a competition organized by Nawab of Awadh to prepare kebabs as soft as possible. Anirban.
Tunde.
Yes.
Oh.
Tunde ke kebab is correct.
Oh, great.
Manvi and Kanan also burst in that order. Tunde ke kebab. Yes. It is Tunde ke kebab. Well done. Now control moves to Anirban.
Okay, I will go for. Let me address this for 20.
Okay, let me address this for 20. I'll give you an address. Tell me what landmark lies there. 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20500. Manvi.
White House?
White House, yes. Manvi on board, her first points in buzzing ever on White House. Anirban also buzzed. Manvi was faster. The answer is White House. Okay, control now moves to Manvi.
Oh, let me address this. 30.
Let me address this for 30. Dharmapuri Forest Colony, Uttar Pradesh, 282001. Okay, UP. Don't overthink, I would say.
Forest Colony.
Yeah, the city name is not given in the address. Anirban.
Taj Mahal.
Yes,
Oh,
absolutely. Biggest landmark in UP. It is the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is in Dharmapuri Forest Colony.
Arey yaar. Surely you would think it would be on Taj Mahal Road.
Taj Mahal is correct. 30 points to Anirban. Control now moves to Anirban. Anirban, where do we go?
Let me address this for 40.
Okay, let me address this for 40. Corcovado Mountain, Parque Nacional da Tijuca, Alto da Boa Vista. Manvi.
Christ the Redeemer?
Wow, what a great crack.
Nice.
It is Christ the
Great.
Redeemer. Superb. It's also a throwback to there was a previous Quizzing the Comedians moment where there was a Christ the Redeemer question to Manvi and she hadn't gotten it. And
Yes.
Kanan had
Yes.
gotten it, I think.
Yes.
or-
I know.
I
know.
was
And
just
I-
about
and I
to say,
knew
you
it,
know.
But I hadn't answered, and I think Rohan answered.
I think, okay, Rohan answered. Yeah.
And
Crazy.
yeah, I have PTSD of that. So,
Yeah.
invalidated.
Big one, mountain, Portuguese, Christ the Redeemer. Okay, control moves to Manvi.
Let me address this 10.
Let me address this for 10. Okay. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard, downtown Dubai. Anirban.
Burj Khalifa.
Yes, Burj Khalifa.
Okay. Yes.
For 10 points, Burj Khalifa.
Okay.
I
Okay,
was going
Anirban.
to keep
This
it.
is cheating by the quizmaster. Has
Yes,
put
yes.
his own propaganda from Dubai.
Classic. And burst fastest was followed by Manvi and Kanan. Burj Khalifa is correct. Yeah, shout out to the person behind the quiz, KP. Okay, back to the board. Anirban, now you have the control. Where do we go?
Let me address this for 50.
Okay, finishing off the category, let me address this for 50. Place Charles de Gaulle, 75008, Paris.
Oh shit.
Anirban.
Oh shit. Brother, why have you asked me for 50 this?
That's the hint, I think. That's the hint. Yes, Anirban.
I will say Louvre.
Good attempt. Do not go for that one for 50. But minus 50 to Anirban, not the
no.
Louvre. Not the Louvre.
No.
Yeah.
You fallen into the trap.
Oh,
Anirban ke baad Manvi bus. Manvi.
So I had two things in mind again because it's 50, and I was hoping Anirban would say one of them so I could my elimination say the other, and he's gone and said the third thing. So
Exciting to hear your guess, Manvi.
okay, I'm gonna say Arc de Triomphe.
Oh wow,
Yeah, that's what I would have
that
said.
is a crazy guess. That is a crazy one. Arc de
Because I
Triomphe.
was like, for 50, it can't be Eiffel.
That was the hint. That's when we made this. We were like, okay, 50.
And
So
the
you will know
secret
to
big thing
eliminate
that
Eiffel
he
Tower
said
and all.
Louvre.
Yeah.
Doesn't help me.
And Louvre was a great guess. I think guessed Louvre in the dry run. And Kanan also. But Kanan, what were you going to guess if you were before?
Arc de Triomphe. Arc de
Oh,
Triomphe.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Zero. Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
मैंने लूफ सोचा भी नहीं. So when you said, I'm so glad because it could have been Louvre. Why not?
Yeah.
I didn't even think the Louvre was there.
Same. I thought of Eiffel and this one. Yeah.
Crazy. So let me address this. Is done. Control now moves to Manvi. Where do we go, Manvi?
Let's do currency for 20.
Okay. Show me the money for 20. Which country's currency is this? You have $100. You have Lord Rutherford of Nelson. Rutherford is a big clue. Kanan.
Is it New Zealand?
New Zealand. You spotted it. Well done. Rutherford
Yeah.
was the big clue. He is from New
Oh, so
Zealand.
you can see it on the map. The islands are there. On this.
Oh,
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So dollar was a big clue combined with Rutherford, who was from New Zealand. Plus 20 to Kanan. Kanan, where do we go now?
Menu का एक ही बचा है ना?
Menu 10. 10 bacha hai.
Yeah, let's do menu 10.
Okay. The menu, finishing off the category. Romaine lettuce and croutons dressed with lemon juice, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, anchovies, garlic, Dijon mustard, created in 1924 by ex Cardini in Tijuana. Manvi.
Oh no, am I the only one? Caesar salad?
Sorry.
Caesar salad?
Caesar salad. Yes, plus 10 to Manvi. Kanan also buzzed. Manvi was faster. This is Caesar Cardini who created Caesar salad. Okay, so the menu also done now. Where do we go, Manvi?
Currency 30.
Okay, show me the money for 30. Here we go. Which country is this? Manvi.
Is it France?
No, not France. Minus 30 to Manvi. For this, I will
can't buzz again. No. Sorry.
No, quickly check if others are buzzing because it won't be fair to give too much time. If Kanan or Anirban are buzzing for francs, which country uses francs? Okay, I'll close this. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
Switzerland?
Switzerland, yeah, Swiss francs. Switzerland. Switzerland. Anybody wants to guess what that homage is on the currency? Like, what is it showing? Okay, so it's basically showing the Large Hadron Collider. That's it.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the worst thing. I was trying to figure out that.
Yeah. So that was a hint. The Hadron Collider from CERN, Switzerland. Okay, nobody gets points. Manvi gets minus 30 for Switzerland, but control still with Manvi.
Let's try show me the money for 50.
Show me the money for 50. Okay.
Big one.
Which country is this? $5.
It's 50.
Yeah,
So it won't be easy.
it can be easy also. Don't think like that. Yeah, not like an obscure country or anything. Very mainstream country. Anirban.
Oh no. I'm already on zero. Canada?
No, not Canada.
Oh no.
Not Canada.
Oh,
minus 50 to Anirban, not Canada.
No, minus 50.
Canada. But I'll quickly check if somebody wants to buzz because
और कौन से है डॉलर वाले? दो तीन ही तो है.
I know one.
चलो.
But,
Oh, Kanan has buzzed. Kanan?
Australia.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I was thinking,
Yeah.
it's for 50.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was one of those
no.
things you spot the Queen and dollar, so it can't
Yeah.
be UK. So it has to be, yeah. Yeah. Plus 50 to Kanan. Nice assist by Anirban there. Nice. Okay, Kanan, now you have the control.
Chalo
Sorry.
bhai. So this category is finished, right?
No, this one has 10 left and 40 left.
Okay. In fact, let's do Poets of the War for
Okay.
30. We have to tell you which war, right?
Yeah. Poets of the War
Okay.
for 30. Tell me which war is this? A young Corsican met his final exam against coalitions who had had a plan. One bad day, one last defeat. History politely showed him the seat. Manvi.
Waterloo?
Waterloo. Yes, well spotted. Nicely
Oh,
done.
yeah.
Plus 30 to Manvi. Corsican is, of course, Napoleon. And his final exam is Battle of Waterloo.
Kick
Nicely
ass, kick
done.
ass.
Okay. Yes, Manvi.
Oh, let's do Poets of the War for 20.
Poets of the War for 20. Let's go. A harbor slept, then planes roared loud. Sunday morning shocked the crowd, awoke a giant, angry and grim. Bad move, very bad for them. Manvi.
So I have to give you the name of the war.
Yeah,
Or do I give you this incident?
yeah, incident.
Pearl Harbor?
Yeah, Pearl Harbor is correct. Yes, plus 20 to Manvi for this. And Kanan and Arban also burst. It is the Pearl Harbor attack. Yeah. Who knows about surprises more than Japan? Okay. Back to Manvi. Yes, Manvi, where do we go?
Poets of the War
Hmm.
40.
Poets of the War for 40. Okay. A merchant company learned to scheme, used bankers, bribes, and a traitor's dream. One rainy day changed India's fate. A simple accountant called the checkmate. Manvi.
Battle of Plassey?
Wow, nicely done.
Wow.
Plus 40 to Manvi. It is
Crazy.
Plassey. Yeah, Anirban, you missed a Bengal
Mm.
question.
Oh no, no.
Merchant company, of
Not
course,
Bengal,
is
not Bengal. I'm little too south.
this is of course East India Company and Battle of Plassey, Rainy Day, and Traitors, all of that. Battle of Plassey. Okay, control still with Manvi.
Okay, let's try MNA for 20.
Okay, I need two companies in your answer for this M&A. A search engine company bought a video site accused of copyright chaos for less than what some tech CEOs now make in bonuses. And this happened in 2006. Kanan.
It's Google bought YouTube.
Yeah, it's Google and YouTube. Plus 20 to Kanan. This is Google, which is a search engine company. Video site is YouTube, acquired by Google in 2006. Google acquiring YouTube. Okay, control now moves to Kanan.
30 मेरे पास M&A है.
मेरे पास M&A है for 30. A global retail giant bought stakes in an Indian e-commerce star to fight a competitor that doesn't own any stores. Happened in 2018. Kanan.
Walmart, Flipkart.
Walmart, Flipkart. Absolutely correct. Plus 30 to Kanan. This is Walmart.
It's really sad. Really sad that I know this.
Oh no, man.
Walmart buying stake in Flipkart to compete with Amazon. This is correct. Plus 30 to Kanan. Kanan, where do we go now?
40 M&A.
Okay. 40 M&A. Not sitting on sidelines of other M&As, this American bank went after another American bank with $50 billion after the fall of Lehman Brothers in 2008. Okay, so essentially global meltdown has happened, Lehman Brothers has fallen, 2008. This is not really an... So one bank merged with another bank, two American banks. Your answer will have two American banks. We'll wait for 5 seconds, else we'll close this. Oh, Kanan has buzzed. Kanan.
This is JP Morgan Chase.
JP Morgan and Chase. No, minus 40 to Kanan. Minus 40 to Kanan. Oh, man. Okay. So we'll quickly see if Anirban or Manvi want to buzz.
Nope.
Okay. Anybody wants to guess? Kanan, you want to take another round stab at it?
No. That's the only
okay.
options I had in my head.
Okay. It was basically Bank of America acquiring Merrill Lynch.
Merrill
Okay.
Lynch. Okay.
So Merrill Lynch and Bank of
Oh.
America. Minus 40 to Kanan. Nobody else burst. Back to the board. Control still with Kanan.
Okay, let's do show me the money for 40.
Okay. Show me the money for 40. Tell me the country for this currency. Manvi.
Oh wait, Bhutan.
Bhutan. Yes. High risk, high
Wow.
reward. Great
Wow,
one.
wow, 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 wow.
Great one. Great
Manu
one.
is winning
Great
this,
one.
bro.
Great
Shit.
one. This is crazy. This is Bhutan. Yeah. And incidentally, yesterday, Anirban and I had a Dream 11
I
question
can't
on this.
believe I missed this again.
And I asked him the question, which cricket team is nicknamed the Dragons? And then I gave him the full funda going, they're known as Land of Dragons. Their local name is Drukgyal. It
मेरे
means
को ड्रैगन
their flag has dragons. And everybody is like, मैं
अरे यार,
हमेशा भूटान भूल जाता हूँ
अरे वापस एक दिन में वापस भूल गया Oh shit.
I almost said Thailand, but then I was like, no,
Uh,
it doesn't look like this.
Yeah,
मैं
yeah.
वही सोच रहा था कैम्बोडिया सोच रहा था
Same.
Crazy crack. Bhutan is correct. Manvi, where do we go now?
10, show me the money.
Okay, finishing off, show me the
One
money.
second. I'm
Ah.
disconnected from the buzzer. Okay, I'm back.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Finishing off, show me the money for 10. Which country is this? Kanan.
Canada?
Canada. It's
Canada.
correct. Plus 10. Why? I was wondering then when you guessed Canada. I was like, if only 10 was done before 50. 10 points to Kanan. This is, of course, ice hockey reference. Canada. Okay, Kanan, you have the control of the board.
Can I get Poets of the War for 50?
Points of the war for 50. Okay. A Rajput stood firm, outnumbered but bold, facing cannons that roared, matchlocks that glowed, on turmeric stained earth by a narrow mountain gate, defeat remembered as something great. So, big clue. Oh, Anirban. Yes.
Man, is it Panipat?
It's not Panipat.
क्या बोल रहा है तू? How
Sorry,
could it be
sorry.
Panipat?
I
It's
thought
not Panipat.
I thought that's the only thing left.
I have a guess.
There are just 5 battles. उसमें से एक ही बचा. Oh, okay.
Plastic,
We'll see
plastic
if
is
anybody is
good.
buzzing. Not Panipat. We'll
I have
quickly
a
see.
guess. Should I buzz?
Go for it, man, Manvi.
Okay, I'm going for it.
Oh, okay. Manvi has buzzed. Manvi?
Is it like some Haldi Ghati something?
Oh,
Absolutely Haldi Ghati. Turmeric
Turmeric
stained earth was the
stained.
big one.
Oh,
Big
shit.
one there. That was the one you had
अरे
to spot.
यार.
So, yeah, this is, of course, Maharana Pratap's battle, which is the
Oh,
Rajput we are talking
my
about.
next answer was Kurukshetra.
And that's why we included turmeric stained
ऐसे
earth.
I was like, yeah, why suddenly lyrical beauty in the question? I didn't
Yeah,
pick
yeah.
up on it as a hint.
Haldi Ghati is known as
Oh,
Haldi
no.
Ghati because it looks like
अरे
turmeric.
यार.
Okay, Haldi Ghati. Nicely done. Manvi, where do we go?
Poets of the War 10.
Okay, Poets for the War 10. A wooden horse, a city asleep. Guards were tired, the gift looked cheap. Worst housewarming ever planned. Read the instructions or it gets out of hand. Kanan.
Is it the Trojan War?
It is the Trojan War, yes.
Oh no.
But how?
Again.
Literally,
How do you know this?
I didn't-
Wait.
It is the Trojan War. Manvi also, but this is, of course, a reference to Trojan horse. Nice. Okay, so Poets of the War is also done. We have 2 left in मेरे पास M&A है. The 10 points and 50 points.
No, M&A for 50.
Okay, M&A for 50. Oil question, a family reunion of sorts. 2 descendants of Rockefeller family came together to create the largest investor-owned oil company in the world in 1999. So, if you're thinking of oil industry, think of a company with like 2, like Kanan's guess was in the in the 41 when he said JP Morgan Chase. So 2 companies combined together in the world of oil. 2-word answer, dash. These are the 2 companies we're looking for.
I have a guess, but I'm not going to eat 50 on this.
I didn't do it.
इसके बाद एक और बोर्ड है क्या ये बस यही है?
हाँ नहीं एक और बोर्ड है.
Oh,
एक और
nice.
बोर्ड है.
चलो.
Okay, Kanan.
Exxon Mobil.
Perfect. Great guess. Great. Great reward. Oh,
Wow.
मैं भी
redemption for
Exxon
JP Morgan Chase. Yes,
Exxon
Anirban.
Mobil मैं भी सोचा, but I was very sure कि मैं गलत सोच रहा हूँ.
Same. अब वो ये तो उनका मोबाइल पेट्रोल होता है.
हाँ, मोबाइल.
ये तो मोबाइल डालते पेट्रोल डालने के बाद ऊपर से थोड़ा मोबिल डाल देना 2 ounce. Exxon and Mobil came together, and the interesting part, of course, is both were actually descendants of Rockefeller family, and then they merged together to give us Exxon Mobil. Okay, last question left, which is मेरे पास माँ है for 10. Okay.
10, please.
Yes, a social networking giant went after a cross-platform chat app, paid $19 billion to a founder they had once rejected for a 200K job application. This happened in 2014. Kanan.
Facebook, WhatsApp.
Facebook acquiring WhatsApp. Yes. 10 points there to Kanan. And that brings us to the end of the first board. This is an absolute thriller.
Oh no.
I know.
Absolute
I
thriller.
have no idea what
Absolute
the scores
thriller.
are.
Okay, Anirban started with plus 20, plus 30, plus 10, then had minus 50, minus 50, minus 50. 3 minus 50.
Oh no.
Panipat, Louvre, and Canada. So Anirban right now after the first board is on minus 90.
Nicely done. Oh
Kanan, of
no.
course, had a great game in the M&A round, particularly. Also, across the board, both of you, Kanan and Manvi. Kanan had one minus 40, which was for the JP Morgan Chase thing. Missed one risk on Marie Biscuit, but redeemed with ExxonMobil. Kanan is right now on 230. 230.
Ooh.
230. Manvi had just one minus 30, which was, I think, for France, Switzerland, Frank's Funda.
Frank.
But she had some crazy high risk, high reward ones like Plassey, Bhutan, Arc de Triomphe, and Manvi on her debut is leading right now with 270 points.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Let's go.
270.
Let's go. Let's go.
270. She got plus 2 plus 50s and 3 plus 40s, which is crazy.
Which is
Amazing, dude.
Never
Amazing.
been
Well
done.
deserved. Well deserved. Well deserved.
Amazing
I
stuff
think
so
I
far.
can set
Yeah,
it.
half-time score check. Anirban on minus 90, Kanan on 230, and Manvi leading with 270.
Anirban, come on.
Okay, okay.
Here's the comeback, bro. Here's the comeback.
Oh, ready.
Let's do it.
Come back to
I have a
zero.
feeling there'll be a
Come
sports
back to zero.
category.
First.
Okay, come back to zero. Let's do this. Okay, guys, we can start second round.
Chalo.
Okay, let's talk about second board now. Okay, the first category is called cameo choreo. Okay, so this is a Bollywood based category. So you know, in Bollywood you've had these special appearance by famous actors who come for one song in another movie. So we'll tell you the actor, we'll tell you the year. I'm just looking at the song from your end, the song or movie. You know, just tell us what song or movie are we talking about. Okay. Second is called idiomin. Great wordplay. Idiomin is basically, we'll tell you a Hindi proverb. We are looking for the English equivalent of the proverb. Okay. Hindi proverb. Figure out the meaning and tell me what the closest English equivalent is. Third is a relatively straightforward category. Founders keepers. We'll tell you the founders of a company along with the year. Just tell me what company are we talking about. Okay.
Indian international mix.
Anything, both
Okay.
Indian and dono. Fourth is behind the canvas. So these are all stories behind a famous artwork. Just tell me what artwork are we talking about. Okay. Ideally, tell me the artwork name. If you just give me the artist, I might not give you negatives, but you might help the other person. We'll figure. Thoda sa isme, let it be QM's call. But ideally, if you just give me the artwork, then no ambiguity. Last one is nominal planet. Okay. Crazy. Nominal planet is basically there are many species which are named after actual human beings, right? Like so these are, we'll show you the photo of the species discovered along with some clues. Just tell me which person is that species named after. Okay.
I love these categories. It's so smart.
Lovely. Yeah. Shout out to KP. My only contribution was nominal planet. I'm very proud of that.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. So Anirban, you get to pick the first one for this round. Where do we go?
I pick nothing. Okay,
Nothing for zero.
okay, I will go for Cameo choreo for 20.
Okay, just tell me what song are we talking about, or you can even tell the movie. We'll figure. Okay, cameo choreo for 20. This is Shilpa Shetty's song from 1999. Okay, Shilpa Shetty had a famous song in a movie, a guest appearance. All of these are cameos. Okay, Anirban,
मैं आई हूँ यूपी बिहार लूटने.
beautifully done. Plus 20 to
Yes,
Anirban.
yes,
This is of
good.
course from the movie Shool. Shilpa
Shool.
Shetty comes. मैं आई हूँ यूपी बिहार लूटने. Perfect.
What's the 20 mark question? What is the 50 going to look like?
Oh no, this was easy. Ask Anirban. He got it.
Yes, I got it.
Anirban got Bollywood.
I would say this is 20 only.
Yeah. Okay, Anirban, where do we go?
Cameo choreo 30.
Okay, cameo choreo for 30. It's Amir Khan's cameo in a song from 2011. Okay, so not an Amir Khan movie, but he makes a cameo only for a song in a 20.
Can I just tell you movie name?
Yeah. Movie name, song.
Delhi
Even I know the
Belly.
movie name.
Delhi Belly.
Delhi Belly. Yes, I'll give it to you. Yes. Song was a little. Anyone remembers the song? This one?
Na 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 ne kisko hazaro.
No,
Disco. Something disco.
this is I Hate You Like I Love You.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it was from Delhi Belly, but nothing more specific.
Okay, fair. Okay. Plus 30 to Anirban. Anirban, where do we go?
Oh, Anirban's making a comeback. Huh?
I
Yes.
am minus
Come,
30 now. Cameo choreo for 40.
Okay. Which movie is also good enough, guys? Rekha from 2005. Rekha has a cameo. Anirban.
Parinita.
Wow, Anirban, what is this?
Yes.
What's happening right now?
What's happening?
What's happening right now?
I'm on 10.
Wow.
I have come to the green.
Yes. Oh my God. Rekha from 2005 is Parinita. Okay, Bengal question, Anirban, some redemption.
Finally.
You know, when this
Wow.
category came, I was like, okay, I'm going to own this category because it's movies and dancing. Like, what else? I have not a single one.
Oh man.
But
Yeah.
my minus 50 is still left, man. Don't worry on this category.
Cameo choreo. Yeah. Like famous dance appearance by famous stars. Anirban has gotten everything so far. Anirban, where do we go?
Man, cameo choreo 50.
For minus 50.
Cameo choreo for 50. Aishwarya Rai in the year 2002. Okay, so Aishwarya Rai has one song appearance for a famous song in the year 2002. Okay. Manvi has buzzed.
Yeah.
Manvi?
Is it the Shakti song?
Oh, wow, you didn't fall
Wow,
into the trap we
beauty.
had set for you. Well done.
Beautiful.
Plus 50 to
Was that,
Manvi.
no?
It is.
What was
What
it?
trap
It is.
were you in?
No, we were thinking like while we buzzed, nobody went for Shakti because most people went for Kajrare and all, but that is not the right
That
year.
was 2005.
That was
I think.
2005.
Yeah,
or
nice,
something.
nice.
Yeah. This is Ishq
Which is
Kameena.
this?
Ishq Kameena. This is a
Yeah.
very. Oh
Yeah.
man, totally forgot.
Ishq Kameena from Shakti. Nice. Plus 50 to
Nice
Manvi.
answer.
Control moves to Manvi.
Bro, the kind of movies I've thought of during this category, man. Like Aflatun has
Oh,
come
I
to
love
my
that
head.
movie.
Urmila.
Aflatun.
But didn't Rekha come and do a song in Aflatun?
I don't know.
No,
But
that was some Undertaker you are thinking.
that was a proper role.
I
That was a
think
proper
she-
role.
Yeah.
That
Oh,
was
she did the movie. Okay.
International Khiladi, I think.
Correct. One of the
Yeah. Khiladi.
I'm seeing a cameo choreo.
Sorry. 1 second, Manvi. Anirban, you're disconnect. You are back. Okay.
Now I'm back.
Yes, Manvi.
10. Finish the category.
Let's finish the category for 10. Which song/movie is this? Malika Sherawat in 2007. Anirban.
Guru.
Guru.
This is-
Yes.
Oh, Maya.
Mahiya. Nobody else but Anirban is correct. Anirban almost ran the category. But Manvi got Shakti.
Almost.
Okay. Anirban, where do we go, Anirban?
Oh man, I would. Founders, Keepers, 20.
Okay, Founders Keepers 20. Just tell me the company. Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp founded this company in 2009. Anirban.
Uber.
Uber, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
it's like a familiar name, familiar name.
Uber. Yeah. Travis, very familiar name now. Yes. Travis Kalanick founded Uber. Anirban gets plus 20 for Uber. Okay. Anirban,
Founders keeper for 30.
founders keepers for 30. Phil Knight and Bill Barman in 1964. Anirban,
Nike.
Nike, of course. Phil Knight,
Mm.
Oh,
Nike.
yeah.
Plus 30 to Anirban. Kanan also, but Anirban was faster. Phil Knight, Shoe Knight, Phil Knight, Nike. Okay. Anirban.
Founders keeper for 40.
Okay. Founders keepers for 40. Sri Harsha Majeti, Nandan Reddy, and Rahul Gemini in 2014. Okay, so Indian startup, of course, 10, 12 years. Very popular startup. Not, again, not now.
2014.
2014. We all, I mean, it's an app that all of us might be using. Like, not like a niche app. Bangalore-based company.
2014.
Oh, Kanan has buzzed. Kanan?
Swiggy?
Yes.
Ooh, nice,
It
Rajat.
is
Nice.
Swiggy.
My guess was I
Nice.
was also thinking Swiggy and one
It
other.
is Swiggy. It is
Oh.
Swiggy. Swiggy was founded in 2014 by Sri Harsha Nandan and Rahul in Bangalore. Swiggy. Okay, Kanan, control
And
now
now
moves
you're
to
a
you.
Swiggy premium user, whether you fucking want to be or not.
Yes.
They'll hide a button somewhere and like, oh, now you're a premium subscriber. When did I sign up for this shit? They're like, "Arey,
Oh.
you've saved 2,000 being premium subscriber. मैं कब बना premium subscriber? They trap you. They trap you into pressing buttons, and one day when you're just pressing, उस नीचे से they'll put one more button. अरे, fucking. यही सब करने के
Yes.
कंपनी शुरू
Abhi,
करते हो शर्म नहीं आती Zomato also same thing your Zomato Gold when did I sign up for Zomato Gold never just quietly they'll slip it in अरे अरे आ जाना
this weekend SNL UK had its first episode. There's a
Yeah.
sketch on this. That I
Yeah.
am a guy who
अच्छा
puts buttons where there shouldn't be. Like,
really
it's very funny, very funny. Exactly this topic.
क्या बोलते हैं dark patterns no dark
Yeah.
patterns is to हाँ again sorry let's do founders keepers for 50
Founders keepers for 50. Let's go. Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, and Nathan Blackersyke in 2007. Founded in the US.
no
Think hospitality. Think hospitality. Kanan.
Airbnb
It is Airbnb.
Oh,
High risk,
wow.
high reward.
What a
It is
beauty! What a
Airbnb.
beauty!
It is
That's a
Airbnb.
beautiful
It
answer.
is Airbnb. Nicely done. Nicely
Wow.
done. Founded by these three guys. San Francisco.
no he said hospitality otherwise I would have never got it
No. He said hospitality. I'm thinking hotel names, and I'm like, no, they're all after family names. What is this?
Yeah.
And then-
That
Good
was the
one.
hospitality may startup when you think then crazy. Plus 50 to Kanan. Kanan control still remains with you.
Chalo, let's do idiom mean for 30
Okay. Idiom mean for 30. We'll show you a Hindi proverb. Tell me the equivalent English idiom. दूर के ढोल सुहावने लगते हैं. दूर के ढोल सुहावने. Manvi.
Grass is greener on the other side.
Yes. Grass is greener.
Oh.
Greener is correct. Plus 30 to Manvi. Kanan also buzzed. दूर के ढोल सुहावने. Grass is always greener on the other side. Okay. Control now moves to Manvi.
This was for 20, no?
This was for
30
30. Let's do 20.
Okay. 30 for idiom in जैसा देश वैसा भेष. Anirban.
Oh shit! When in Rome, when in Rome.
Yeah. When in Rome is good enough. When in
Yes, good.
Oh shit.
oh shit
Oh shit. Anirban's favorite idiom is oh shit. Okay. All of you buzzed on this. Anirban followed by Manvi followed by Kanan. जैसा देश वैसा भेष. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Okay. Control moves to
Somebody
Anirban.
once said, when in Rome, do the Romans.
Moments.
Yeah, somewhere on TV.
Vocal for local. Okay. Anirban?
Idi Omin for 40.
Okay. Idi Omin for 40. Thotha chana baje ghana. Okay. So, thotha chana, like basically, baje ghana. Okay. Thotha is basically hollow.
Huh?
Chana is Thotha is hollow.
Oh,
Chana is chickpeas.
Akbar.
Kanan.
Empty vessels make the most noise.
Yeah. Empty vessels make noise. Empty vessels sound much. All of you buzzed. Anirban followed by Manvi for sorry, not Kanan. Kanan followed by Manvi followed by Anirban.
Just for the audience, I've put my name as Anirban and Anirban has put his name as Kanan. Just to annoy KB.
Empty vessels sound much or empty vessels make noise. Is Thota Chana Baje Ghana plus 40 to Kanan for this. And we move back to the board. Kanan, you get to pick.
Let's do idiomin for 50.
Idiomin for 50. Zada Jogi Mat Ujad. Very workable. Read it carefully. Zada Jogi Mat Ujad. Manvi.
Too many cooks spoil the broth.
Nicely done. Nicely done. Plus
Killed
50.
it. Killed it. Killed it.
Dada
I
Jogi,
can't
so
believe-
too many monks, they destroy the mutt. So yeah, too many cooks spoil
I
the
can't
yes.
believe my guess was for this was going to be every saint has a past.
Oh, Jogi.
I swear. I was fairly confident on
Too many cooks spoil the broth. Okay.
Oh no.
Manvi, where do we go now?
Finish the category.
Okay, finishing the category, we have 10 left. Idiomin for 10. Jahan chah, wahan rah. Manvi.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Where there's a will, there's a way. Yes, plus 10 to Manvi.
You never walk alone. Oh, sorry.
Oh
sorry.
yes,
Yeah.
that's
Yes,
also
yes,
good.
yes. Plus 100 to Kanan. Nice one, nice one. There's a will, there's a way. So cameo choreo is done. Idi Omin is done. Founders keepers, we have 10 left, and behind the canvas and nominal planet, everything is left. Okay, Manvi,
Behind the canvas, 20.
behind the canvas for 20. Tell me the artwork we are talking about. This artist wrote in his diary about walking at sunset when the sky turned blood red. He felt an overwhelming wave of anxiety, dizziness, and terror. Kanan.
This is the scream.
This is the scream. Yes, this is the scream plus 20 to Kanan. Manvi also burst and was faster. This is the scream by Edward Munch. Okay. Plus
Edward
20 to Kanan. Kanan, where do we go?
Let's do behind the canvas for 30.
Behind the canvas for 30. The artist was staring at a piece of cheese melting on a plate. That image collided with his obsession with time, dreams, and Einstein's relativity. Manvi.
Melting clocks, Dali.
I will get back to you. Going to Kanan.
I was going to say Clocks by Dali.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was what. Isn't that the name?
I also thought it's called
Yeah,
melting
that's why
clocks.
I was going
Okay.
to.
What about how about Dreams by Dali?
No.
Melting Dreams.
Okay. Like I had said before the beginning of this round, that if somebody gets the art and nobody improves on that answer, then we'll give that
No,
person
give it to Manvi.
the
Yeah.
points. But if Kanan had said persistence of memory,
Persistence of memory.
then Kanan would have gotten points. Persistence. I know all of you are thinking of this particular painting
Yeah.
by Dali, but yeah. So plus 30 to Manvi for persistence of memory by Salvador Dali, and control moves to Manvi.
Behind the canvas, 50.
Ooh.
Behind the canvas for 50. Okay. This
You're
artist
crazy,
was
man.
accused of making art that was too erotic. To rehabilitate his image, he leaned into romantic beauty, coated in Byzantine style gold, inspired by church mosaics. What famous artwork are we talking about? Big clues are coated in gold, Byzantine style, and church mosaics. Manvi.
Yes. Sistine Chapel?
the Sistine Chapel ceiling, etc.,
Yeah.
etc. No, -50 to Manvi. Not the Sistine Chapel. We'll quickly wait for 5 seconds. Okay, anybody wants to guess for fun? Romantic, gold, church mosaic. Okay, the answer is The Kiss by Klimt. Okay, The
Oh,
Kiss.
no idea.
Okay,
No
okay, okay.
idea.
The
No
Kiss by
idea.
Gustav Klimt. So they are kissing
Oh,
and
the
there's
mosaic
a
thing
mosaic
doesn't.
thing and gold plated, etc. Okay, nobody gets points. When Manvi gets plus -50 for this, but control still with Manvi.
Only 10 is left now in this one.
10 and 40.
Oh, let's do 40.
Okay, 40 behind the canvas. The artist was haunted by the feeling of being awake while the city slept. Painted during the Second World War, it captured America's quiet, anxious isolation. In reality, the diner never existed. Manvi.
Oh no, no, this is the Hopper painting of the man in the diner. What's it called?
Sorry, Kanan is buzz. I'll have to go to Kanan. Kanan,
Nighthawks.
Nighthawk by Hopper. So we'll, as discussed, we'll not give negatives to Manvi because she got
Okay.
Hopper, but we'll
Okay.
give points to Kanan because he got the painting that we were looking for. The answer is Nighthawks by Edward Hopper. Manvi, of course, knew the painting. Just like in the Dali
This
case,
is
if Kanan hadn't improved on your guess, you would have gotten points.
Yeah,
Yes,
no, no.
this is
Kanan.
also a quizzing throwback of
Yeah,
I didn't know the name of the painting, so I lost the question.
yeah.
Oh
It was
wow.
And
the
again,
episode
it
of
was fucking
redemption.
Rohan only who knew it.
Rohan or Ashish. Yeah, I remember. Hopper.
Yeah.
I think you remembered Hopper then and you couldn't remember Nighthawks or something like that. Oh,
Aisa
okay.
kuch.
Yeah. Plus 40 to Kanan for Nighthawks. No negative for Manvi for because she got Hopper. Back to the board. Kanan, where do we go?
Behind the canvas ka 10 kar lete hain.
Okay,
Finish
finishing
it
off
off.
behind the canvas for 10. The painter wasn't allowed to paint after dark. So this artwork was created from his memory of swirling skies from astronomy books he had read. Kanan.
Starry Night, Van Gogh.
Starry Night by Van Gogh. Yes, it is
Van
Starry
Gogh.
Night. Van Gogh,
Van Gogh.
as the Dutch would call him, Vincent van Gogh. Starry Night.
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
behind the
Ah.
canvas is done. We have 10 left in Founders Keepers and Nominal Planet fully left.
Let's do Nominal Planet for 30.
Okay, Nominal Planet for 30. Unique, dense golden hairs on the fly's abdomen led to naming of this fly that you see on your screen in honor of a global female pop icon. So just need the global pop icon. Manvi.
Oh shit.
There is like,
You can take more time because nobody else has buzzed.
Okay.
So
I'm thinking of which to focus on, like the dense golden hair or the animal itself. Uh, uh,
you want to narrow it down for us, KV, while Manvi is there, or no?
no, now to Manvi is buzzed.
Okay.
Okay,
So
is it Diana Ross?
no. -30 to Manvi. And we'll close this. Anybody want?
Hey!
Oh, Anirban has buzzed. Sorry, Anirban.
Oh man, I am exactly on 30. If I get this wrong, I'm back on 0. Shit, let's go. Madonna.
No, -30.
Oh, we are like, got it. Oh man, again.
Okay.
Oh.
This is basically reference to dense
Dolly
golden
Parton?
hair. No. This is
Good one.
Beyonce. Okay.
Hey,
Beyonce.
I thought so. So that was my other guess.
Yeah.
But she doesn't
Beyonce.
have like dense curly
Yeah.
hair. I mean,
Yeah.
or maybe she does naturally. I don't know.
Yeah. Fly named after Beyonce's dense golden hair.
Wow.
Beyonce -30 to both Anirban and Manvi, but control still with Kanan. Kanan, where do we go?
Let's do Nominal Planet for 20.
Nominal Planet for 20. Named after a Californian politician in reference to the markedly developed biceps-like middle femora of the males of this species. Manvi?
Schwarzenegger?
Yes, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Plus 20 to Manvi. All three of you buzz. Kanan and Arban also buzz. This is the Californian politician called Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's known as Agra Schwarzenegger.
Agra.
Agra is back. Okay, Manvi.
Let's do 40. Nominal planet.
Nominal planet for 40. A fly named due to marvelous markings on its face, reminding you of sunglasses and white mustache of X. Okay, so you have to think of somebody you associate with sunglasses, white mustache, and marvelous is in quote. And these are all real life people, okay? Just to clarify. Anirban.
My goodness. Oh, Stanley.
Yes.
Oh
Great. High risk, high reward. Well done.
Oh,
Well done, Anirban. Well done. Marvelous was a clue there
Marvel.
for
Okay,
Marvel.
okay.
And sunglasses and white mustache. This is named after Stan Lee. It's from the Daptolistus Lee. Okay, Anirban, control now moves to you.
Behind the canvas for 50. Oh no, that is over.
That is
Sorry,
done.
sorry. I am a little trailing. Now nominal planet for 50.
Nominal planet for 50. Okay. Found near a US state prison and named after X because males of this species are generally black and X was famously known as the Man in Black. Kanan.
Johnny Cash.
Johnny Cash, the Man in Black. Yes. Plus 50 to Kanan. This is Johnny Cash, the Man in Black. Crazy, guys. I know you guys can't see scores, but when people watch it on YouTube, they'll see score live, and it's beautiful the way this quiz has progressed. Plus 50 to Kanan. Kanan, where do we go? We have 10 left in Founders Keepers and Nominal Planet.
Let's do Nominal Planet for 10.
Finishing off Nominal Planet. Known for its yellowish white head scales, reminiscent of X's hair. Anirban.
Hey, Donald Trump?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, this is named after Donald Trump because of yellowish white head. Okay, it's known as Neopalpa Donald Trumpy. Okay, finishing off Founders Keepers now for 10. Nitin Kamath and Nikhil Kamath in 2010. Kanan.
Zerodha.
Zerodha, yes. Zerodha is correct. That brings us to the end of this crazy quiz. Crazy, all of you are
man.
crazy.
Oh man.
Crazy. Okay, guys, time to have a look at the final score. Anirban had minus 90 in the first board. He got plus 190 in the second board.
Oh.
Great comeback.
Crazy. Crazy,
Very
crazy,
happy,
crazy.
very
Crazy,
happy.
and-
What? Plus 190?
Plus 190 in this round. So yeah, you were like fully like leading and you had barely any negatives in this round. You only had one minus 30, I think, for that Madonna Beyonce punt that you took. So minus 90 and plus 190. Anirban, you end on exactly 100 points.
That's amazing, bro. That's
fantastic,
amazing.
Actually.
Yeah.
Great
I thought
comeback.
I was in 30-40K range.
No.
Oh my.
No, crazy.
Yeah, nobody
100.
saw this coming.
Superb. So, but you almost ran cameo choreo, and then you got one here and there when in Rome,
Favorite
and like
answer.
you got Uber and all. Yeah.
Category, Anirban.
Yeah. Superb. Okay, Kanan in the first board had 230. In the second board, Kanan has 260. So Kanan, you end on a grand total of 490. 490. You had no negatives in the second board. Manvi had another fantastic round because she got 2 plus 50s. Too many cooks spoiled the broth. And Shakti, crazy answer, but also negatives, minus 50 and minus 30. Manvi, your second board score was 110. 110. Your first board score, of course, was 270. So believe it or not, you had an insane performance in your very first buzzing ever. You went on 380. So you're the first runner-up. 380, 270 plus 110. Fantastic, you guys. Kanan, you win this with 490. Fantastic performance.
Thank you very much.
Superb
Thank
stuff.
you.
Superb.
Very good.
Fantastic. Manvi,
Crazy.
always a pleasure. Hope to see you soon in some quizzing somewhere and offline also soon maybe. But thank you guys. Means a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Guys,
Bye.
go give an OTP and come. Sorry.
Thank you. Guys. Okay.
Bye.